Hello everyone, before we start unboxing this tablet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot. Now let's talk about this tablet. I'd categorize it as a budget-friendly option, yet it still manages to impress with its decent display, good battery life, and surprisingly capable processor and graphics card. Let's open the box and check out what's inside. Well, the contents are pretty minimal. You get a charging cable and some paperwork, but no charger included. Moving to the tablet itself. On the front you'll find a selfie camera and a 12-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels. While it doesn't have the deep blacks of an OLED screen, the image quality is quite impressive for its price point. Taking a closer look at the build, there are two speakers, a charging port and a 3.5mm headphone jack on one side. Two additional speakers and the power button on the opposite side. A volume rocker, two microphones, and a micro SD card slot along the edge. Finally, the back houses the main camera and an LED flash. Now let's power it on and put it to the test. Here are the Wi-Fi speeds it achieved on a 1 gigabit per second plan at 5 GHz, even at a distance from the router. The speeds on 2.4 GHz were less impressive, though this might be more related to my router than the tablet itself. When it comes to streaming, the maximum resolution for Netflix is capped at 1080p. As for performance, these are the results from synthetic benchmarks. Finally, I tried some gaming at max settings, without enabling any game speed boosters to simulate the worst case scenario. Conclusion: Fortnite experienced some occasional stuttering, but it wasn't too bad overall. Honestly, I didn't expect the game to run at the frame rate it did. It was a pleasant surprise. As for Asphalt Unite and Call of Duty Modern Warfare, both were fully playable and ran smoothly. That said, I consider myself more of a casual gamer, so I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Do you think the performance is good enough for gaming? So, what's my verdict? This tablet is ideal for video content, internet browsing, and some casual gaming. However, if you're looking for a device for intense gaming, you'll need something more powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.